A pallet jack, also known as a pallet truck, or jigger, is a tool used to lift and move pallets. Pallet jacks are the most basic form of a forklift and are intended to move pallets within a warehouse. In this video it will show the basic parts of a jigger or pallet jack, and how to use it. To move a load, push the jigger into the pallet. Pull down control lever, and using the steering handle, pump tow bar to raise the load. Then return control lever to neutral and pull or push the jigger. To lower the load, pull the control lever up until pallet touches the ground. You can also use the release valve lever to lower the load. By using your foot, step on the release valve lever until pallet touches the ground. And now for troubleshooting. If the pump does not lift normally, pull up on control lever and hold while pumping handle several times. Then set control lever to pump position and pump handle normally to lift load.